Hello everyone, this is Tom with Stock Navigators, and this is today market update and recap for April 22nd, 2020. So if you watch my YouTube yesterday, as you can see that when the market is able to break below the upper trend line here, so the market will pull back down. So a lot of people here they think that this is done for the moving up, so they start shorting, and then today the market will push it back up to test the upper trend line. So yesterday, when I make the video right here, I told you where the market is already heading to. So today they hit up to this level, which is the blue box I draw here for you guys yesterday. So the question here is right now, what are we going to do? Where the market we're heading to? So technically, right now the market is after they hit to this box. So the next stop they will test this box to see if they're able to hold up here. Okay, if they're able to hold back here, we have some rebound up onto the top. If they cannot hold at this level, we will continue to go lower. Okay, if they take this low out. So that's very easy. So the market will tell you what they want to do. Okay. So for short-term day trade, as you can see today, after the market it filed the bottom out, and then they put it back up a whole night. In the morning, they continue to put back up right into the blue box on the other picture I just show you, and they continue to stay in the trend. So in the our light trading room, we told people as long as it's still in the uptrend, you stay with the uptrend until the end of the day. That's what they did, and then they hold up until they hit to the sell zone. There's no magic when you see that this one is just a area that they sell before, they hold up before. Now people will sell again. So in the shorter time frame for trading, so when the market open at 6:30 in California, if you wake up early, you can take a first trade here, and after the market open, the institution they slam it down right into the support area, and then they push it back up, and now they continue to make it uh, the support right here. So when they pull back down, they give you a way that you can draw the trend line. So when I hold up here and I jump in, take a quick trade, that is done for the day. So the last couple of days I couldn't post it every day at a lot of profit, but because PlayStation they have problem to display a account manager. So that's why I have to take a screenshot and show you April 22nd. I take a quick shot at 1322, and we get out and we are done for the day. So if you stick around, and you can see that after the market view the support, and then the trend is still up, and then every time they pull back, the people that jump right in, and then they give you another nice opportunity at around 10:30, so you can jump in and take another trade to the end of the day. So that's how you trade every day. So the key thing here is you have to understand how to read the chart so you know where the market heading to. Okay, trading is all about the price action. If you know how to run a line, you understand the market psychology, and then you be able to trade. You know when the market it will hit to, how to define sell zone, how to define the buy zone, how to find the level of support and resistance, and where they're heading to. So you can trade it accordingly to the trend direction, and you can make money every day if you are a day trader. If you are a swing trader, and then we will show you how to do swing trades so you can stay in the trade longer and make even more profit. All right, so this is what we're doing in Stock Navigator. And every day I try to update information and let you know where the market we're heading to. So right now at this moment, the market is still try to digest the whole gain from here to the top. And definitely we will go sideways here and give it more clear direction. And a lot of people try to think that the market it try to go make another lower low, okay, and that's what a lot of people they short at this moment because they believe that it go down here, but at this moment they may be, they may not be. So all we care is just look at the chart, whatever the chart telling you, and we will post it day by day and let you know where they go, and we'll go from there. So that's how you make money. Okay, so thank you for watching. And if you like what we're doing here for you every day, please subscribe to our YouTube channel by clicking the subscribe button below. or you can check out our website at stocknavigators.com for more information. We see you in the next video.